Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to talk about Bitcoin really quick and where I think the general direction is going. I have been monitoring the charts on the hour and the 4 hour, and recently it hasn't really been doing anything on the hour for the bull pushes, which made me extremely bearish. And also for the 4 hour, you actually had this trigger back here at around 48,300 on the 4 hour, and there was a big reaction. And again on the daily, we haven't even seen the daily cross bearish yet. So as of right now, as of us hitting like 48,300 or so, for 48,400, I do have around 3 open shorts. Each one is about a zero point 0.1 lot on Forex. So I can show those positions later, but I do have open shorts. I do think that there's a very strong chance after we actually break bearish, which I do think in 11 hours, more than likely we're going to close bearish on Bitcoin, unless we have like a random pop up back to like 48.7, which, keep in mind, I do want crypto to go up. I'm just playing the swings here. That's what I'm just playing what I think is going to happen, right? As of right now, I do see Bitcoin trailing back down to possibly around like maybe 44, a little bit under $45,000 maybe. That's where I could possibly see Bitcoin going back to, and then having another jump back up to 48K, and then we possibly keep going up higher from there. But I do think short term, I do think we can definitely go back to 44.7. So as of right now, I do have 3 open shorts at like 48.3 or something on Bitcoin, and I am going to be keep holding them for a bit, because the weekly, again, the weekly is still perfectly bearish. There's no reason for me to be bullish right now, and then also the daily is about to give us a bear trigger. So I do have my open shorts already on Bitcoin. I based it off the 4 hour sell back here, which was yesterday at 1 o'clock in the afternoon is when I opened the shorts. Yeah, and I've just been holding ever since. But yeah, 3 open shorts. I think Bitcoin's gonna probably drop to like 44 something. What is it? 44, like 40, like a little bit under 45K. I'll probably close my shorts there. Because the monthly does look like it's starting to lose bear momentum, which is why you see these dark blue candles getting created up here. When you have these light blue candles on the monthly, it means you have extremely strong momentum. And then once these light blue candles start getting created, it means that bear momentum is dying. And it's dying fast, because you have it set at 7,200 back here, and then 4,600, and then again like 3,800. So you definitely have dying momentum on it's funny, Ethereum going down. You definitely have dying momentum on the monthly. So I do think that as of right now, I'm still pretty bearish short term, and I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin back here. So I'll see you guys later. I have my open shorts. Hopefully they hit. But again, definitely a little bit longer term bullish, just because of the 50 MA is now above the 200, and the weekly is still pretty bearish. So we have to wait and see. But the monthly is losing bear momentum, which I'm hoping it's we maybe start keep closing weak bear momentum months, and then eventually close a bullish month, and then that's when I'm basically gonna go all in on crypto. I think that's gonna be the major trigger for the bull rally. So I'll see you guys later. Bitcoin short term bearish, long term bullish. Bye bye.